It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the Hello Kitty Cafe in Las Vegas. And they've got all sorts of sweet treats like Hello Kitty macarons, Hello Kitty donuts, and coffees, espressos, iced teas, and milk teas. As you wait in line, you can read all about the Sanrio characters like Choco Cat and Keroppi and My Melody, Batsumaru, and Hello Kitty herself. And let's not forget about Gudetama, the lazy egg. They also have merchandise. You can get hats and mugs, and well, it looks like they're all out of mugs. But the t-shirts are looking about $30, tank tops 28, hats 26, squishes 12, mugs $12.50. Well, people love Hello Kitty.
Thank you. What time do you guys close?
11. Yeah, that's good.
Ice latte.
Ice latte?
Not vanilla, just regular.
Okay.
And my order's ready. Great. Hi.
Eric.
Yes, thank you.
So then here's the Keroppi.
Okay, great.
And then the Gudetama.
Awesome, thank you.
And then we have the latte. And the Thai tea. Make sure you give this one a good mix. And
Okay.
you guys are all set.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a sweet one. Thank you.
Thank you. This is Gudetama. He's so tired. So tired. He just has to lay on this donut like, oh. And then Keroppi. Yeah, Keroppi. Oh, he's got a smile on his face. And here's my Thai iced tea. Let's try that. I think it's Thai iced tea with sweetened condensed milk, so that's good. And we also got a latte, just a regular latte. That looks good too. Now let's try the donuts. The Gudetama egg. I don't know what this is. I guess it's like looks like a donut hole on top. Let's just try it. Oh, that's good. It's a good donut. I gotta take a bite of Gudetama. He's an egg, and I hope it like gushes egg or something. And just a donut hole. Oh, that's good though. It's like a sweeter frosting or a sweeter cake donut. That's good. Get the Gudetama donut. Here's Keroppi. I think there's cream inside. It's green cream. Oh, that's good too. I don't even know what flavor it is, but it looks like guacamole. I don't think it's guacamole though. Maybe it's like coconut or pandan or something like that. It's very good. A little unusual though. Maybe coconut. So this is a fun place to get some Hello Kitty treats, sweet drinks, merchandise. If you're a Hello Kitty fan, this is a must stop here in Las Vegas, and it's right across the street from the Park MGM, and it's right outside New York, New York. There's also a Bruxy Waffles, a Shake Shack, a beer house. So there's plenty of food and fun here in Las Vegas for kids of all ages. Hey, thanks for watching everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Hello Kitty Cafe. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.